You can access the Parsippany High School Media Center website from the Parsippany High School website, or you can simply Google Parsippany High School Media Center. From the Media Center, you can access two important things: the library catalog and our databases. The library catalog is where you can see if we have a particular book in the Media Center and where on the shelves it is located. You can find a book by typing in keywords, title, author, or subject. So let's type in the keywords, Mexico history. You can see we have 18 results. You can tell if a book is available as long as it doesn't have a little out label on the top. To find this book, you need to look at the call number, which is 972 FOS. Here you can go to the shelf with the 900s and locate this book. If a call number has FIC in front of it, that means it's in the fiction section. If a call number has REF in front of it, that means it's in the reference section. Ebooks will say ebooks, and you can click to read them online. If you're not sure where to find something, use the Media Center map to guide you. The Media Center has many databases where you can access articles from credible sources that are not freely available on the internet. Our databases are organized by subject. This particular database, Modern World History Online, is a history database, and you can search it in two ways. You can browse the different topics, or you can type in simple keywords. Here you will find articles from specialized encyclopedias or academic journals. You'll also find primary sources, images, videos, and sometimes news articles. Each article includes a citation. This is a full MLA citation that you can put in your works cited.